Hello audience, welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about political science paper 2 MCQs of CSS 2001. So the first one is the objective resolution was adopted in option B 1949. The objective resolution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan on 12 March 1949 by late Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan had presented it in the Assembly on 7th March 1949. Out of 75 members, 21 opposed it. Next one is Shimla delegation was led by Sir Agha Khan. Option A. The Shimla deputation was a gathering of 35 prominent Indian Muslim leaders led by Agha Khan III at Shimla in October 1906, and the objective of this deputation is to convince Lord Manchu, then the Viceroy of India, to grant Muslim greater representation in Indian politics. Next one is this is the parting of ways was said by option A Quaid-e-Azam, and it was said by Quaid-e-Azam during the presentation of 14 points. Jinnah stated that it was the parting of ways and that he did not want and would not have anything to do with the Indian National Congress in the future. Next one is Pakistan became a republic in 1956, and the first constitution of Pakistan was also adopted in 1956. Next one is the Supreme Court of Pakistan comprises option C 17 judges. Next one is the Indian Parliament is option B bicameral. One is Lok Sabha lower house and the second one is Rajya Sabha upper house or Senate. Next one is the American Senate comprises option B 100 senators, and there are two senators from each state because US consists of 50 states. So the total members of Senate is option B 100. Next one is the tenure of French president is fixed at option A 5 years. Next one is Turkish government is option A democratic because in Turkey there is a democratic set of and there are periodic elections and political parties. Before 1922 there is a Khilafat system, but after the principle of Kemalism, Turkey became a modern democratic state. Next one is Cultural revolution in China was aimed at option B bureaucracy. The Cultural Revolution, formerly known as the Great Proletarian Cultural Revolution, was a socio-political movement in the People's Republic of China launched by Mao Zedong in 1966 and lasting until his death in 1976. Next one is the Islamic Revolution in Iran ushered in option B clergy rule. The Iranian Revolution of 1979 or the Islamic Revolution refers to a series of events that culminated in the overthrow of the Pahlavi dynasty in Iran. Next one is People Republic of China was established in option A 1949. China got independence after 2 years of Pakistan. On 1st October 1949, Chinese Communist leader Mao Zedong declared the creation of the People Republic of China. Next one is the quorum of a House of Commons in UK is option C, 40 members. So what does it mean? A quorum is the minimum number of MPs or a member of the House of Lords needed for a division or vote to be valid or for a parliamentary committee to function. Next one is the power in the Soviet Union rested with the option A, Supreme Soviet or the Assembly of Soviet. Next one is the House of Lords is predominantly option A, hereditary. The House of Lords, also known as the House of Peers, are the upper house of Parliament of the United Kingdom. The membership is by appointment, a hereditary or official function, like the House of Commons. It meets in the Palace of Westminster in London, England. Next one is the Soviet Union was established in option C, 1922, and Lenin, the creator and the first leader of the Soviet Union, and the USA, United States of America, was founded in, so option D, none of these. On 2nd July 1976, Congress voted to declare independence from Great Britain. So on 4th July 1776, Congress voted to accept the Declaration of Independence and marking 4th July as Independence Day of United States. Next one is the Electoral College in USA comprises 538 electors, so it is option B. And the last one is 18 Amendment in the Constitution of Pakistan was adopted in option A, 1985 during Ziaul Haq time period. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Stay tuned with us for more videos and updates. I have started the past previous paper series from CSS 2000 to CSS 2023, and I have covered till now Islamiyat, Pak Affair, Political Science, paper 1, and now I am focusing on paper 2. So thank you and God bless you all.